Hello all, this is Kettu here, stock trading specialist. Let us see why stock market crashed today, as today is 22nd November 2021. Stock market has crashed almost Nifty minus 350 points and Sensex 1000 points. Let us see why it crashed today and how we had identified that and how we had captured it. Let's go to the live charts. Yes, I hope everyone can see here. See at the top right corner, Nifty, it is minus 348 points, correct? So, and here you can see this chart, how we had plotted is, I'll show you. There is a website named TradingView, V-I-E-W, tradingview.com, .in for India, .in. Scroll down in Google, you type TradingView. See, there is a website called in.tradingview.com. You click this. This website shows every single stock, even global markets, US, UK, and everywhere, all over the world. You can see whatever the chart. See, there is an option called chart here. Correct? Click this. This is a free web-based website where everyone can access this anytime. There is my profile here where there are a lot of inbuilt indicators and all. So right now I'll show you the plain chart, and top right corner here you can see Nifty minus 348. As today is 22nd November, there is a huge crash, almost 2% for Nifty, and also Sensex 1000 points. So let us see why this happened and what is the reason behind and how we had predicted this. See, here Nifty after Corona, this crash, Nifty had recovered a lot. See, almost like a straight line. It's a huge recovery, correct? In one of my earlier video in Facebook, I had mentioned that U-shape and V-shape are always very powerful in stock markets. See, where this is that time I had explained clearly by going to all the historical crashes and recoveries. I had shown in a single video named like why stock market is still going up even in a Corona crisis. You can go back even in the Facebook timeline or somewhere you can find it. So see here, that Corona crash, and there is a big V-shaped recovery. That time I already mentioned, see, once this breaks, the V-shaped recovery means it will go all-time highs and market will go very, very high. So as I mentioned in that video, the same thing happened here. The market has been recovered huge and went to the new all-time highs, correct? So let us see about the today's scenario. See, market, this is the chart, and this mainly, first of all, let's come to the basics. After clicking the chart, this is called the candlestick charts. Here you can see there is an option like this, which if you select the candles, there are a lot of things, but the candlesticks is the base of the technical analysis. So if we select the candles, this will come what happened this day. Even the red means it goes down, green means went up. So everything is shown here. And you can see here, recently, 19th October market, that day, the first red came here after very good upside. From 19th October, and again, it fell down with a lot of many red candles, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25, all are the red candles, correct? So after this, see, again, after this huge Corona, there is slight crash, and again, it went nicely up, and again, today it is a fall. So by this, you can clearly see this 19th October high. See, generally how market goes up, if it is an uptrend, it goes up, come back, goes up, come back, goes up, come back, goes up, come back, goes up. So this means there is an uptrend. This is called an uptrend which is going in an upward direction. Correct? So the same way, here you can clearly observe that the upside has been not broken and we got the negative red signal here. Correct? And also there is a very, very important and very powerful textbook pattern who everybody knows about this. Whoever knows all the basics of technical analysis can be seen here. The pattern name is called head and shoulder. Why it is named and how, what is the pattern, you can see here. See. Here, this is the shoulder and this is the head and this is the shoulder. See, here this is the head, which the high, and this is one shoulder. And this is the other shoulder, correct? See, the right shoulder did not break the high, previous highs. You can see clearly now. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. This is most powerful and very important pattern in technical analysis, which works in any stock, anything, anywhere in stock markets. So how can we confirm? We need certain confirmations for this pattern. It appears only at the, generally at the top of the chart or at the bottom. That is called inverted head and shoulder. So let's go only with the head and shoulder pattern right now. At the, this is at the top of the chart, correct? After this good rally, good uptrend, there is an head and shoulder pattern. And for this pattern, we need the confirmation. Let us see what is the confirmation here. Already we have drawn shoulder, head, and shoulder. Okay. So based on this, let us connect these shoulder, head, and shoulder with valid points. Valid points means, see, this is the connectivity point. This is the connectivity point. This is one connectivity point. This is C. And now what happened here? You can see clearly. Today, market opened just below this breakout line. This is called breakout. Breakdown happened. This head and shoulder pattern has breakdown today by breaking the line here. That is called neckline, which we call it as neckline. So see, this is the most powerful pattern here, and from now market, there is a chance to go back down, or there is a chance to go sideways, but or there is a chance to slide up, but there is no chance that it won't go again very high in coming few days. It may be stagnant, or it may be sideways, or it may be slight up but again down, or it may go down eventually. So but it is confirmed that market chances are very less that market may go upside from now. Upside in the sense market to break again all-time highs, it takes a lot of time again, come based on further market days. So this is the typical and very powerful pattern named head and shoulder, which looks like the head, and the shoulder which has the two sides. Okay, see, today is the breakout day, which the head and shoulder pattern opened straight away below the breakout line. See, head and shoulder had connected with the line which every point has intersected here. This is called the trend line, and the head and shoulder pattern, this is the breakout day which opened directly below the head and shoulder. See here, correct? So on the opening day itself, today we went to the shorter time frame with 15 minutes, and once the 15 minutes candle gave a very big red candle, see, this is the 15 minutes time frame which we will be used for the day itself for intraday positions. It is 15 minutes time frame is very powerful for intraday. So this candle is After first 9:15 market opens, this is the candle. See, you can see here 9:15. So after this candle, we took our positions by placing the stop loss at this high. So straight away market, we got this much points. So that is the power of head and shoulder, and the breakout days are very, very important. Once the breakout is happening, so there will be, we can capture a lot of movement in a single day. Even we captured some of the profit. Even our team had captured some profits today based on this pattern within a single day by using a very less capital, around 50,000 rupees. We had booked almost around 15,000 rupees within a single day. So this is the pattern, the power of the pattern. And this, even we instructed many of your clients also, and also we exited some of our clients' portfolio around this area when market gave nice signal here without going and breaking the new highs. Without breaking this high, market started giving a very good signal at this point. It did not break this high. So we predicted that there is a high chance to break this head and shoulder. So it happened today. So that's what I need to explain you here about the head and shoulder and how we captured that and how we predicted this movement. Hope this video is helpful to you, and this is a very useful to learn the basics of the stock market, and it will be very useful. Any questions, any doubts related to this, please type in the comment box below this video, or please post in this group as well. And if you like this video and anyone also want to join our group and learn more insights about stock market and technical analysis to generate an alternative source of income or regular income from these stock markets. So please click the link below and join. There is also, you can join our Telegram group as well, which is mentioned below, so that a lot of insights and a lot of updates will be coming here and after in this groups as well. So please follow and please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to comment below any questions and any useful, any information which you had taken from this video. Thank you. All the best. Good luck. Good trading.